Hello, in this video I'm going to show the speed up tricks on OPPO A6x. Okay, we're going to begin with developer options, because we can adjust a few things in them to get some free speed. First, to get access into developer options, we need to click on About Device. Now scroll down until you find version, and tap on the version number a few times in a row until you see that you are now a developer. Now go back, find System and Update, and click on Developer Options. Now we need to keep scrolling until we find 4 options that we can adjust. So keep scrolling until you find Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and the Animator Duration Scale. As you can see, all 3 of them are currently set on 1x, but to improve the speed of our device, we can completely turn them off or select 0.5. Simply don't go higher than 1x, because it will only slow your device. So for me, perfect balance between off and 1x is of course 0.5, so that's the value that I'm about to select for all 3 options. Now let's keep scrolling until we find the last option is under the apps and its background process limit. We can change from standard limit into at most 3 or at most 4. It is up to you. I'll select at most 4, for example. Alright, that's all in developer options. Now let's go back and let's go straight into battery, because we have the battery performance mode. High performance mode, that's how it's called. So in this mode, our phone will work in the fastest way, but you need to be aware that this increases power usage and may cause your device to heat up. So we should use this mode wisely, because overheating your battery, it's not the best thing, and we should avoid situations like that. Personally, I'm using the high performance mode, for example, when I'm playing games on my OPPO. So for now, I'm about to turn it off, but I'm just showing you how to find it and how you can turn it on. Alright, now let's open up the apps and click on App Management. And in here, in certain apps, you'll have possibility to clear the cache. Cache is basically the junk files that are stacked. I think that in my case it will be available for the Chrome, which is my default browser. To clear the cache, find Storage Usage, and in here we have some cache. Simply click on Clear. Don't worry, this doesn't delete any of your data, but be aware that you cannot misclick and you cannot click Clear Data, because this will delete your data in the Chrome app. So you'll be logged out from everything that you are signed into. But it won't happen if you click on Clear Cache. And also, if you have some apps that you're not using, you can also uninstall them from the level of the app management. You can also do it from the level of your home screen. Simply hold on the icon and click on uninstall. For example, I have this game that I'm not playing, so I can uninstall it to get some free storage space. If you're installing the apps from the app management level, be aware that some of those apps are the system apps, and uninstalling them is impossible. Sometimes it is, but don't try it, because something bad might happen. So I'm just telling you to be careful. Okay, let's go back from here and we can close it up for now. Also, during day-to-day use, I'm sure that you have a lot of apps opened in the background, just like me. Maybe three apps is not the big amount, but simply, if you have the apps opened in the background that you're not using, simply manually close them up just like that by sliding to the app side. Thanks to that, you are releasing your RAM, and also that might be the problem why your device is running slowly during the day, because you have a lot of apps open in the background. Okay, now let's open up the phone manager, and in here we have the chance to click the optimize button from time to time. It's always good to do when you have possibility. So hit the button. Now the phone will optimize itself. Okay, we can click on done, but in here we also have some recommended actions. We can perform a storage cleanup. Click on go if you want to, and we can delete some junk files, 140 megabytes, so let's clear them. In here you can also monitor your storage level, how many storage you have left. Now we can also click the system boost. Okay, it's done, so hit the button. You can also add the system boost shortcut to your home screen. Same thing with the storage cleanup, so you'll have a quick access to them. In here you can also manage your apps. If you want, you can also download some third-party cleaning apps from your Play Store. Simply open it up, type cleaner or cleaning. You'll have a whole list of apps that you can download, but be aware that before downloading anything, it's always good to simply see the reviews about the app. And also the opinions from other users. Is it worth downloading this app? Also, from time to time, you can perform a reboot of your device, because basically during the reboot, our phone rests for a moment, the RAM gets freed up, so it's worth doing. To perform a reboot, we need to launch the power menu, click the power key and volume up. And my bad, hold power key. To perform a reboot, now drag this white ball into the restart function, and now if you release your finger, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again and the phone will be ready to use. And as a last resort method, you can perform a factory reset of your device, but remember that factory resetting will delete all of your data. But if you want to, as a last resort method, open up the settings, scroll down, find System and Update, Backup and Reset. Also, before resetting your phone, you can create a backup of your data, so you'll be able to restore it later. I highly recommend to create a backup. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video when you can watch all backup methods, so yeah, you can watch it if you don't know how to do it on your own. But to reset the phone, hit this button and now click on Erase All Data. After that, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be turned on again automatically. And the next thing that you have to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.